A lot of people buy a home and question why the home insurance value is not the same as the purchase price. In this video, I'm going to explain how home insurance is determined. First, if you're looking for more money-saving insurance tips, subscribe to our channel for more insurance education. The goal of your home insurance is to rebuild your home from the ground up. To do this, the insurance company collects all the variables of your home, such as the style built, the square footage, number of bathrooms, size of garage, exterior wall covering, etc. They collect these variables and develop what's known as a replacement cost estimate. These home characteristics are plugged into an insurance company estimator to develop a rebuild cost using today's materials and labor costs. This replacement cost estimate is used as your primary building coverage for your home insurance. Because the home insurance is focused on the replacement of the structure, it doesn't always align with the sales price of your new home or the county tax assessment value. But from the insurance company's standpoint, if we replace the same home at the same location, you're going to have the same market value that you did before the loss. This has been a very simple explanation of how the insurance company develops a building coverage for your home insurance policy. Please leave us a comment below with any questions that you might have, and leave us a like or subscribe to our channel for more great insurance information. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.